everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera, as always, is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this rare beauty, and it is a rare beauty, is a 1957 Bonneville Convertible with fuel injection, and only 8 of them came with AC. And I will be honest with you, I doubt those 8 even exist anymore. This is just a one-of-a-kind beauty. It's, let's see, Kenyan Ivory is the color, and the interiors are red. It is gorgeous, dual exhaust, it's an automatic, it's got fuel injection and AC that blows cold, the top works, it's amazing. It's just a big car. Gosh almighty, it's huge.
I love this steering wheel. It's like a white wheel, but the sun shining off of it looks absolutely awesome. It says power steering in the center of the steering wheel too.
Which was a big deal.
Yeah, I know, and it's gold right behind that Pontiac logo. The gauge cluster is awesome too. And then to the right of the gauge cluster is all your AC controls and stuff. And I can attest it does work. I used it earlier. It blew cold and very hard.
Look at the size of this trunk, even though it's a convertible.
Yeah, most convertibles don't have big trunks because you need a place for the top to go. But this one is absolutely massive.
It's a massive car.
You have the tool.
There's your tools.
Back here, big old spare tire as well, and it's mounted there. It doesn't rattle or anything.
No.
Very nice mat. There's no rust, obviously, anywhere. This thing was meticulously restored, very nicely painted. Trunk lid, even in fantastic condition. Look, the little light works.
Unreal.
I know.
This car is great.
This thing is fantastic. Everything opens and closes so nicely. It says fuel injection there on the back as well. Big chrome bumpers, and the exhaust exits out of those bumpers.
That's the way they did it in the 50s. They did everything correctly.
Kind of like
just
the,
so cool.
The C1 Corvette, and also the gas cap. Let's go back this way real quick.
Sorry.
It's in the chrome trim right there. Lift up that little panel for me, Chris. Look how cool that is.
But it all matchy-matchies.
So hidden away so that no one can even tell it's there. I love little things like that on these 50s cars.
It was just neat how they did them. They really put a lot into it.
No.
A lot of artsy stuff with this car.
It also got an antenna that extends.
Oh.
Right there. Beautiful white soft top. And the interior is kind of a two-tone. It's mostly red. There's white too. The backs of the front seats are white, and a lot of it's red. It's also pristine condition. You got floor mats with a little Indian on there. Because Bonneville.
Because it's Bonneville.
And Pontiac.
It's a 347 V8. And it is 315 horsepower. That's a lot of horsepower.
That's pretty good.
That's a ton.
It is a ton.
Where is it here? Oh,
it's right there in the middle. It's only one latch. Pretty easy to open.
It really actually is easy. Oh my God.
Yeah. One of the most pristine engine bays I've ever seen. Beautiful blue painted engine.
Look at
There's
that.
the air conditioning. As you can see, I mean, it's just absolutely awesome. Like all the stickers and tags are still all over it. We also forgot to mention this has power windows.
Oh, of course it does.
Which is amazing. We'll show those when we show the top.
Look at that.
But yeah, hood closes great. Doors close fantastic, as does the trunk. Awesome chrome bumpers. The Pontiac badge on the hood is just epic. And look, the ends of these little fender, what do we call them, ornaments?
Let's call them ornaments.
They're clear, because that's where the blinkers blink.
When I start this car, we're gonna use the blinky blinks.
Yeah. Are you ready to start up here and see that top go?
Let's do it, man. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Well, hello.
Fuel injected, so you don't have to pump it.
And I didn't. So now we're gonna take the top down, and here's how we do that. Kind of the same as other cars. You have these 2 handles.
Little latches, yep. Real easy to do. Very nice.
There's the top right here.
There it goes. Look at that. Big old top fold back. You gotta love a power top, don't you?
Who doesn't love a power top, Jake?
Now I'm gonna close this door for a sec.
Sure.
Because we also have power windows.
Oh, I should probably show that too.
All 4 switches are over on your side. There's the driver door. Passenger door. Look at that. And the back one. Back quarter windows go up.
Let's take them down. Let's put this beautiful top right back up.
Oh, they go down super fast.
Super duper fast. And how about this huge steering wheel? Good gravy, it's huge.
Yeah, the steering wheel is massive. You also have, there's your AC controls right there. Very nice.
And cooler.
And your radio.
There's a little vent. There's your radio. It's called Wunderbar. There's a clock. It works, Jake.
I know, look at that.
Right here, some more controls here. Normal air. I think this is for your heat, and there's your blower for that.
Yeah.
Look at the gauges. Aren't they just beautiful?
Yeah, the gauges are absolutely gorgeous. You also have, I think that's a speaker down there.
See, they had our fan, but who knows?
It's in the footwell, and you have power brake written on the gas and, well, power and brake written on the power and the brake pedal down there, which is very cool. Like even the glove box is all chrome. Look at that.
It's chrome. It's just unbelievably chromed.
I know.
I love this car.
So we saw the top go down, put the quarter windows the rest of the way down.
We should probably do that.
They're still up a little bit. There you go, and then get that other one. Nice, they're all down. So let's put the top back up. See it go both ways.
It should.
It runs so smooth.
It's buttery
Doesn't
smooth.
make any noises.
Buttery smooth.
Other than the ones it should. And look at that, top's back up. Chris is gonna latch it back in place. It's a little cold today, so there's plenty of condensation coming out of the exhaust. But that's completely normal. Not a loud car. Comfortable and quiet, which is nice. Nice.
It is nice.
Well, the top's back up. Would you like to put this up to the main and see it moving?
I'm gonna putt.
So to the ladies and gentlemen, we can't drive this car. A, it's very expensive and very rare, and B, there's not a lot of miles on it.
That's right, so I'm not gonna put any more.
Yeah, so we're gonna put it back up to the showroom just to show it goes and stops. Maybe do reverse first and then show forward. Maybe we could show everything to the people.
Okay,
Let me
here
see
we
your
go
mic before
backwards.
you go.
Oh, you want the mic?
I'll take the mic. But yeah, let's show the people. There's reverse, going backwards. Now he's got it in forward mode. Such a gorgeous vehicle. You can go a little faster than that. I can run. Look at those brake lights. So cool. I love cars from the 50s. Oh, here you go.
I think it should take multiple spots.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
I don't want anyone next to it. I
How
don't.
was your drive?
You know what? I wish we could have gone over 10, but you know, it was very comfortable. You see me take the bumps? I didn't even feel them in this thing.
I know. You ready to put it away?
Let's put it away, Jake.
Let's do it.
All righty.